Osun State boasts of 34 approved CBT centers. The Joint Admission and Matriculation Board (JAMB) has approved 34 computer-based test registration centers in Osun State for the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination (UTME). According to the list released by JAMB, Osogbo, the Osun State capital, has the highest number of approved centers with 10 registration centers, followed by Ile-Ife with 5 centers. Ilesa has 4 approved centers, while Ede and Moro have 4 and 2 centers, respectively. Other towns in Osun State with approved JAMB CBT registration centers include Ila-Orogun, Iboku, Inisa, Ikire, Ipetumodo, Modakeke, Eri-Osun, and Iwo, each with at least 1 center. The approved centers are spread across public and private institutions, including universities, polytechnics, and secondary schools. Candidates are advised to visit the JAMB website to access the complete list of approved centers and their addresses. JAMB has warned candidates against patronizing unauthorized centers, as doing so is at their own risk. The board has also assured candidates of a hitch-free registration process at the approved centers. The 2025 UTME is expected to commence soon, and candidates are advised to register early to avoid last-minute rush. Summary of approved JAMB CBT center, registration center in Osun State. Osogbo, we have 10 centers. Ile-Ife, we have 5 centers. Ilesa, we have 4 centers. Ede, we have 4 centers. Moro, we have 2 centers. Ila-Orogun, we have 1 center. Iboku, we have 1 center. Inisa, we have 1 center. Ikire, we have 1 center. Ipetumodo, we have 1 center. Modakeke, we have 1 center. Eri-Osun, we have 1 center. Iwo, we have 2 centers. So candidates are advised to visit the JAMB website for the complete list of approved centers and their addresses. Thank you for joining me in this segment. My name is Joseph Yaji, and please don't forget that intensive tutorial for 2025 UTME and SSE is currently in progress at Akai Tutors Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. You can contact the management of Akai Tutors Ile-Ife on 08038644328, and you will not regret coming to Akai Tutors. Don't forget, Akai Tutors provide decent hostel accommodation for students who are outside Ile-Ife at a bearable cost. Do yourself this favor to crush 2025 UTME at once. Thank you.